brothers wrapped in green, who ruled their way to glory. They come from Lisheen, it's not too complex really, just row from A to B. No strategy for the lads from Skibbereen. They had many tactics to strengthen up their legs. An ice bath after practice, steaks, spuds and eggs. Their land is spread each morning, the secret to their team. More power to their own, more power to Skibbereen. Rode from Castle Donovan through rain and fog, down the river island, but like a dog. Gary and O Donovan through rain and fog, down the river island, pull like a dog. Close your eyes and pull like a dog. The Olympics were unreal, they wanted the chance. The full power pro and wear podium pants. They impressed Dominic Casey, who watched on RTE. Silver with Liberty for Era and Skibbereen. Oh, what they did was great, they shared their story on Norton and the Late everywhere globally. Bonfires welcomed home across the bay scene. Gary and O Donovan, heroes, Skibbereen. They rode from Castle Donovan through rain and fog, down the river island, pull like a dog. Gary and O Donovan through hill and fog, down the river island, pull like a dog. Close your eyes and pull like a dog. A rising was in Dublin 100 years ago. The flag was put by Sullivan upon the GPO. The brothers did admit after 1916 'twas great to beat the Brits and raise the flag for Skibbereen.